At least 4 local businesses in the same plaza are all dealing with the same problem. They're getting their air conditioning working again after the units were stolen. And thank you for staying with us at 5:30. I'm Jared Smalley.
I'm Jennifer Bullock. There are different kinds of businesses, so they've all been affected in very different ways.
NBC4's Eric Halperin in Columbus to show us how all this happened. Eric?
Jared and Jen, some of the units have already been replaced. This all happened back here behind the businesses. In some of the surveillance video, you see the thief taking apart the air conditioning units, then walking across this lot with parts of them and throwing it over that concrete wall. Running a small business comes with challenges on its own. Now, some on Sawmill Road have more on their plates. Late last week, their air conditioners were stolen.
It was very hard to recover from COVID. And now we have to deal with this. It just makes it mostly emotionally disturbing and difficult.
Anna Panagiotopoulos has owned Anna's Greek Cuisine on Sawmill Road for 26 years. She says what happened early Friday morning was a first.
It affected me a lot the first day because I never expected that.
Surveillance video shows a thief out back taking apart the unit around 6:30 in the morning. A restaurant next door, dentist's office, and flower shop also had their air conditioning units taken.
I think the most important thing here is that you are used to come or go to your job or home where you feel safe. And now that this happens, you are concerned.
The business owners and employees say they feel safe when they're open, but this worries them about what happens when they're closed. In the video, you can see the AC unit spray in the thief's face before they take it. They then walk away, seemingly coughing.
The Freon just poof in their face. And they ran away and they came back.
It makes Panagiotopoulos smile, but she still wants whoever did this to be caught.
It was devastating. I never wanted it to happen again.
And the owners say someone was also out back here earlier last week messing with the air conditioning units. Police say there haven't been any arrests yet, but the surveillance video should be helpful. Local for you in Columbus, I'm Eric Halperin, NBC4.
Eric, thank you.